In this video, I will show how to enable error reporting in Windows 11. So click on Start, type here Services, open Services. Now scroll down, and in this list you have to find out. Now here click on Windows Error Reporting Service. So double click on it. You will see here startup type disabled. So select enable. So to enable it, select here automatic. Then click on apply. Then start. Now here click on OK. Now exit and restart your system. So this is the way guys you can enable Windows reporting service. Thanks for watching.